Well, hey guys, how's it going? This don't have anything to do with no name nationals or working on cars. But I've been interacting with this guy on uh, yeah, Facebook Messenger. Dude, I hate Facebook. I hate it. I hate it with a passion. But here we go. This is one that needs to be shot up there because I've done this before. Evidently he ain't watching the videos. On the sharpening stuff I do. So, hey, you know, let's go, right? And explain it. All right, man. I've got, we're way in the past. I mean, the only thing I got now, I used to have mills and stuff sitting nowhere, but I got a drill press, this little lathe. This is so damn small, I hate to even show pictures of it. We got a Foley model 200. Does paper tube saws. I got this other Foley filer here that, I've already modified this stuff. It don't do hand saws no more. What we do on that is this stuff, all right? 200-300 a week. I ain't even went out to the car and got the stuff that's left on that. We got our little air compressor. Here's a Durex, I think it's E90, E95, M-mill sharpener. We got ZX1000, right? Knife sharpener. I turned it off. I was using it just a minute ago. Let's go to let's move this. Spin index, all right? Foley, 380. It's basically a tool and cutter grinder, but I only use that thing for doing router bits. Then we're gonna go over here. Here's my retipping fixture. All right. I do have it rounded on the angle. I find it easier so the tips will fall down into the saw. There's what I got, and you can see, let's not mention, yeah, there's a couple $1,000 wheels sitting up here. We got, welder, our oxygen tanks. Here's a Foley single side side grinder for doing carbide saws. Here's a Bell dual side grinder. I brought this thing back from the dead. Cost me a crap ton of money, but I got it back from the dead, right? So instead of doing single side, I can do both sides at one time. We're done. Here's a Cincinnati #2 automatic Traverse automatic infeed. This is going to be an overview. Then we got a 357 Foley sitting right here. We got a 357 Foley sitting right here. We got there you go. Right, 150 standard automatic grinder right here. We've got a Bomber CNHBP sitting right here. All that thing does is face grind. Only thing this thing does is top grind, carbide saws. Then, dip tank. I mean, not dip tank, but, parts washer. Here's a Foley saw polisher. That, you know, it just polishes saws. Here's another Cincinnati #2. I don't think they say much more about that. Same thing as that one over there. Here's a little record. Automatic cold saw grinder. If you don't know what a cold saw is, let's grab one down here. These are headed to the trash can because they're chewed up so damn bad, but here you go. Right? High speed steel saw. Cut stainless steel, cold steel. We got that. Here's a monoset grinder. I'll try to back up off it a little bit. You know, this thing is what they used to make end mills, router bits, anything you want. I can do anything you want on that. Here is a cat's claw for doing band saws. Let's continue around here. Here is a United Tool Company profile grinder. And what we do on this is grind profiles, right? You see how this is all messed up down in here? We just put templates in, regrind this stuff where it's supposed to be. Right here, I just get tired of this crap. Right here is a Durex drill grinding attachment. I can grind any drill you want at any time. Step drills. Dude, I got this. Then we'll walk out here. Hang on. We got another profile grinder sitting right here under this tarp. I've been trying to sell for 2 years. I ain't uncovering it, but there you go. So now we'll walk back in here. Don't, you know, question my knowledge on this sharpening stuff. Here's the old Foley lawnmower blade grinder that I just refuse to do that stuff anymore. Here is a machine I'm fixing to sell. It's nothing but grinding or sharpening clipper blades for pet grooming. There is a, right here, automatic saw setter for hand saws. Here, under here, is an automatic retoothing machine for retoothing saw blades. We can go up here. This little machine right here does knives. It's got a wheel on it right there next to that because I put it out of commission. I can make serrated knives, whatever you want. Here's a manual saw setter for hand saws. Right back there is a machine that's made for, now that's not a Foley, but that's the head to a machine I got sitting underneath a tarp out here that I've been trying to get rid of for 5 or 6 years for doing real mowers. There's a real mower backlapper right there. That's for, you know, backlapping real mowers. Dude, I can only do so much for these sharpening guys. I mean, I put the stuff out there, and I don't have no problem with helping everybody out. Here's a Foley 1055 sitting right here. Don't buy one of them. Don't. That's, dude, that's such a piece of crap. Nowadays, you'll never use it. That was the first machine I bought. Came with the course I took from Foley, bell saw. That's the only reason I keep it hanging around. I've got every attachment that goes to that thing other than the chainsaw grinders. And why do I need that? Because I've got chainsaw grinders out the ass. You follow what I'm saying? But these guys, for some reason, man, they, again, I don't mind sharing my knowledge on this stuff, but come on, don't question me. I'm telling you, I'll get irritated about that stuff. If you want to show your shop off, man, do that on your own time. Do it on your own channel. Don't come at me showing me videos or pictures of your equipment. If you got a question, dude, I'll be the first one to answer it. And I don't mind doing that stuff, man. But come on. I mean, don't bother me unless you have a question about this stuff. I've been doing this stuff for well over 25 years. This is nothing to me. I mean, really. 90% of this stuff in here anymore, I don't even use. I've cut this shop down to, I'm only selling stuff. And, doing the best I can with what I got. I've got blades piled up around here. Dude, don't question my knowledge on this Foley stuff. It will not turn out well. I've got books that goes back all the way to the 50s on this Foley stuff. I know where I'll give your information out the best I can. But if you're going to continuously come at me with stuff, I don't have time for that. Not right now. I'm in the middle of building an engine, building a race truck. I don't have time for it. I just don't. Now, 6 months from now, dude, I'm your man. I'll get right on it. But right now, I don't have time, right? So stop. Stop. Please, just stop. Give me 6-8 months. I'll get back to all this stuff. It's no big deal. But just, dude, don't just keep coming at me when you already know the answers. Anyway, I guess it's a rant video. I don't know. That one guy just keeps, messaging me, wanting information. I would rather do this on YouTube. I would rather you ask me questions on YouTube. Then I'll shoot a video on anything you want to know. I'll pull out books. I'll pull out books you ain't never freaking seen on all this Foley crap. It's that simple. But right now, I ain't got time for that crap. I'm so far behind. I'm trying to do. Anyway, sorry, rant. There you go, sharpening guys. A little walk around the shop. Come on, man. Give me a break. Give me 6-8 months. I'll get back into the sharpening stuff. I promise. I will answer any questions you got on this stuff. But right now, I ain't got time. So, anyway, we'll see you on the next one.